When it comes to making a claim for your own injuries with your own insurance company, it is pretty straightforward. You contact your insurance company, you let them know, hey, I was in a crash, my car was damaged, these are the injuries I've received. They're gonna send you some forms to fill out. Cooperate with your own insurance company and fill out the forms and let them know in a timely manner how you were injured. Mention all the body parts that were hurt, even if they were minor. The easiest way for an insurance company to deny a claim is to claim they didn't have notice. If your own insurance company isn't notified in a timely manner, they may be able to deny at least a portion of your claim because of that. When making a claim with the at-fault driver's insurance company, we always try to reach out to the at-fault driver's insurance company and try to reach an amicable resolution. More than half of our cases, we're able to do that. Before having to file a lawsuit, we deal strictly with the insurance adjuster and eventually come to an agreement about the value of the injuries, or at least the value of the claim. That's not required. You could simply sue the at-fault driver and bypass the insurance claims process altogether, but you don't really want to do that under normal circumstances. You want to take the opportunity to negotiate with an insurance adjuster and try to resolve the claim without having to file a lawsuit. The main reason is time and costs. Filing a lawsuit typically pushes things back between 9 and 12 months. There's also going to be additional costs. There's going to be filing fees. Eventually, we're going to have mediation, and we're going to have to pay a mediator around $1,000 to help mediate the case. And so if we can avoid those fees while settling cases before filing a lawsuit, we're going to do that. And the way you do that is by making an insurance claim with the responsible party and working up the claim with the adjuster by providing your evidence, mainly medical records and other evidence of how the person was injured and how their life was affected, to the insurance adjuster and ask them to make an offer to settle the claim. If you suffer a singular injury, say a broken leg, you have immediate surgery, you get a rod placed, you have screws in place, and you have a 6-month follow-up and the doctor says, well, this is all we can do for you. You're gonna have some mobility limitations. Well, 6 months after the crash, you know the value of your case because you're not really getting any more treatment. You have that singular injury, and so now you can say, we can either try to settle the case, in which case it could take as little as 30 to 60 days if you're settling with an insurance company, or if we have to file a lawsuit, it's gonna take roughly 9 to 12 months. Sometimes your own insurance company will refuse to pay for certain things that you believe they have to pay for. When that occurs, it's time to call us. Once your own insurance company denies any payment or denies your claim, you have to get an attorney involved. There's various reasons why the denial may have occurred. It could be as simple as the form they received the medical bill on wasn't the correct form or didn't list the correct code, which is very easy to correct. Or it could be that they obtained some information that leads them to believe that your entire claim isn't compensable. And so now you need to find out exactly why, and you need an attorney to help address those issues and the reasons for the denial.